Hi everyone, thank you for joining us again. Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network, here to do a walk around with you on this 2018 Lexus LS 500 F Sport. The point of our walk arounds is simple: transparency. To show you the things that will not show up in our 100 high definition photos located on our website. If you're on our website and would like to see those photos, just scroll down. They're located below this video. If you'd like to see a detailed vehicle description which highlights features and options of this Lexus, just scroll up. They're located above this video. If you're on our YouTube page and would like to see those, plus get a free CARFAX report, see the original Windows sticker, get financing options, or get a quote for shipping across the country, please visit TampaBayAutoNetwork.com. At the end of this video, you'll be able to hear the engine run on this LS 500. Thanks again for joining us. Let's get to the walk around. Excited to do the walk around with you on the LS 500. As you can see, new tires. Paint on this LS is in great shape for over 20,000 miles on the road. As you can see, there's a couple of slight imperfections which you cannot see once you step away. As you walk around it, no dents or dings, no swirl marks or heavy scratches. This does have a dual panoramic roof, so there's not a whole lot of paint on the roof, but what there is impeccable. Okay, let's take a look at the headliner, because that's really the only thing you can't see in our 100 high definition photos. You do get a glimpse of the seat there, but as you can see, the interior is just amazing.